every pattern, every line I've rewritten through the grind. The old ways fade, the new ones bloom, a quiet change.